Hello everyone, welcome to Ozana TV Crafts. Today we are going to be doing headband, and materials needed for these headbands are your fabric, your scissors, your tailor chalk, your UHU gum, and objects to cut out your shape. But today I'm going to be using CD to cut out my circular shape because the design I want to make for this headband is big. I'm not going to be using this one today, I'll be using this one. So let's get started. The materials I'll be using for this headbands are fabric that I'm going to be using. This is doll face material. I'm using it for my design, and this is my Ankara fabric, and this is scuba. This is scuba material that I'll be using. But now let's make the base before we make the design. I've already cut out my materials that I'll be using. Now the first material that I cut out, 9 inches width and 23 inches length. That is one. Second one, this one I'm going to be using it for the design, but let's measure it so you know how the measurement looks like. Same 23 length, 4 inches wide and 23 length. This one is 5 inches width, 46 inches length, 5 inches width and 46 inches length. My CD plate, place it on the fabric that I'm going to use for the design, and then I'll cut it out. I trace it with my tailor chalk, and trace it out and then cut. So I'm going to cut the circle out. Just follow the circle, the chalk. So we are done cutting out our circles. This is how it will look like. So right now I'm having 10 black circles here and 16 Ankara circles. Now the reason why I cut up to this is because I want mine to be full. Depend on your choice. If you don't want it to be full, you can reduce the number of your circles. So me, I like my own full. So let's get started. Let's start with the base. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'll fold it. I'm trying to get the front and the back, so I'm going to sew it like this. and I'll turn it after sewing. Don't mind me, this is my mini sewing machine. So right now we are done sewing and turning it. The three materials that I cut out. So this is it. So right now I'm going to do this. I just need you to watch me carefully as I do it, because I'm going to use this and this to twist for the design that I want us to. I'm going to twist it, so just watch how I will join this. So we are going to twist. So what I'm going to do now is to sew this part. You will not be able to go and give it to Ifeanyi to do it for you. Mr. Ifeanyi. You want her to push down the camera. I'm telling her to go. So we are done with this. So what we are going to do, this place that we showed is going to be inside. So we'll place it like this, and this is our design that we made. We are going to sew it together on this thing. So when we fold, it will look like this. It will look like this. So let's sew it. That's the way for call for intercom. You make sure it is in the middle before you start sewing. Falling off. Take it together like this, and then sew. See, you join it like this, and then you sew it. So let's do that. This is stay. We're about to make the design that we are going to use to beautify it. So let's start. So this is stay. That is what we are going to use to make this flower. This is the type of flower that we want to make. So let's get started. First, you fold your material like this. And if you know that your material is bringing out hair, all you do is get your lighter and do something like this. So with the help of our UHU gum, so right now the flour is dried, so it's now for us to attach it to the base. So my needle and thread, I am going to attach it. So let's get started. Make sure you double your thread.